We're all connected, no matter where we are. We're all connected, whether near or far.
Most people think that when we're talking about a climate temperature change of 2 degrees, that really isn't much of an impact. But the best person I've heard was on Bill Moyer, and he's the director of climate change conversation for Yale. And he talked about temperature increase in terms of our bodies. So if we have a 1 degree temperature increase, we feel a little sick, but we can still go about our daily business. If we have a 2 degree or a 3 degree temperature increase, we're pretty sick. If we have 5 degrees, we're going in a coma. If we don't do anything about climate change, we're looking at an 8 degree to an 11 degree temperature increase by the end of the century, which means that life as we know it cannot survive.
Okay, I'm here about the Arctic ice and the feedback loop that occurs when you lose ice, then you lose the reflectivity of the ice, and then the sunlight that used to reflect off the ice gets absorbed into the ocean. And the more ice we lose, the warmer the planet's going to get in a sort of geometric progression. I mean, the sorts of things that are happening are not going to unhappen. They're not able to be fixed. I'll show you my sign. And you wouldn't believe how important that is. The fact that we've got the Arctic reflecting that much sunlight and basically keeping the planet cool. We're losing the planet's air conditioner. We're losing systems and patterns and ecologies that have taken hundreds of millions of years to develop, and we're losing them in the space of like 100 years or so. Apparently we've taken something like 100 million years of stored carbon and put it in the atmosphere in the space of 150 years, and you just know that that's going to go wrong. Things are going to go badly wrong for the planet unless we mitigate the damages. Let's put it that way.
No matter where we are, we're